First up in this week's weekly Trump trial recap. Judge Merchan expanded his gag order against Trump in the hush money criminal case out of New York. Now Trump can no longer attack or harass the family members of the judge or prosecution without having fines or possible imprisonment. The judge making it clear he's taking this very seriously. We know in his civil trials, Trump has violated his gag orders and received modest fines. But the difference here is this is a criminal trial, and criminal judges don't mess around. What you essentially have here is a criminal defendant trying to attack the prosecution and the judge overseeing their case. You would think for a law and order party, there would be an outcry about this, but there isn't. Essentially, you cannot make it so other criminal defendants that come after Trump have this precedent and this kind of leeway of being able to attack the public servants overseeing their case. Not only that, but the judge making it clear that the jurors who are eventually seated in this case shouldn't be afraid that their loved ones will be attacked either. In Georgia, Judge McAfee denied Trump's motion to dismiss the case based on First Amendment grounds. Back in New York, Trump posted his $175 million bond on Monday, but the problem is, according to Attorney General Letitia James, it may not comply with New York law. The company that did the bonding did not file things such as the power of attorney or financial statement, and the bond needs to be reliable and compliance with the law, so we'll see what happens there. And in Florida, Judge Cannon rules in favor of the government and does not dismiss the case based on Trump's argument that he could keep the documents under the Presidential Records Act, but she does it in such a way that she's essentially kicking this can down, and that means it will further delay the start of this trial. The question is, Trump is basically saying that any of these documents, he could just mark personal under the Presidential Records Act and keep it, even if it's in his bathroom, despite the fact that these documents are actually covered by the Espionage Act. Again, the judge ruling in the government's favor, so he cannot appeal the order, but doing it in such a way as to make this case slow down significantly. And a potential new legal case against Trump is heating up in Arizona. The Arizona Attorney General has subpoenaed GOP members relating to the fake elector scheme there. Again, Trump and his team tried to get fake electors from many states to come to Congress and vote for him rather than Biden.